everyone, it's Summer here from Cosmic Crochet Reviews, and bless, but I have 5 minutes to myself. Okay, so that's actually not true. Leo is currently asleep. We just came home from the grocery store. We had to pick up some water bottles for the gym, and I decided I wanted to record a video today. Even if I only had 5 minutes to do so, if it was the quickest video, if I looked like crap, which I do, honestly, because I didn't have the time to put on makeup. I brushed my hair, so that's something. That's like, if I could describe motherhood in one example, it would be pre-pregnancy, pre-motherhood. You walk out of the house, perfectly dressed, nice outfit, nice makeup, your hair looks amazing, even if it's humid outside. Post-pregnancy, motherhood life, I can say that I woke up and I was able to pee. I don't know if like there's much after that I can do. I never wear makeup. I'm always in loungewear, which I know if you are a huge Marie Kondo fan like me, I seriously love all of her tidying techniques and also life techniques. So if you're a Marie Kondo fan, you know that she says not to stay in loungewear because it makes you kind of a lazy person. I believe that's kind of like the gist of it, but honestly, that's all that I really have time for. Sometimes I put on a dress or two, but that's just because I don't want to put on pants. Anyways, moving along from that, ramble. Here I am today with 5 minutes to myself. I'm super excited to be able to actually do a video. Now, I'm not doing the DeFea like I wanted to. I just don't have that packed up at the moment, and I didn't want to have to run around the house with the limited time that I have now to pack up a diaper bag or to pack up a daily bag the way that I wanted to. So I decided to pull out my car diaper bag, and I'm gonna unpack that for you. If you haven't already seen from the title of the video, I'm doing a review and a packing video of the Kipling Coralie. Now this is a crossbody purse by Kipling. It's really gorgeous in the color Fresh Teal. I've chosen to use this bag as my car diaper bag mainly because the crossbody strap can be worn long or short, but when it's shortened to this length, which is basically all the way that it can go, it fits perfectly over top of my stroller, or if you use stroller clips or stroller hooks, this fits perfectly as well. So that's why I chose this bag. It's just a beautiful color. What is a car diaper bag, you might ask? I not only have a huge collection of purses and bags and pencil cases, and obviously I need to find a use for them all instead of just having them sit there in my closet, but I feel that it is essential to have multiple diaper bags packed up, just in case I'm in a rush or I run out of something in my main diaper bag. I know that sounds super duper silly, but I typically have one dedicated diaper bag that I keep with me during the daytime. So right now I'm carrying my Jujube Beast Sporty in the print sushi cars, and I have everything that I need in there. I make sure to pack that up every single day, and then I have all of his extra change of clothes, diapers, wipes, his emergency kit is in there, anything that I need for myself as well. I always double check that every single day, but there are some days where I'm literally rushing out of the house with 2 seconds to spare, and I get to the place that I'm at only to realize that I don't have a diaper, or I only have one wipe and he just had a blowout, which actually did happen to me. Fortunately, I had a car diaper bag, so I stand behind this 100%. I know that times can get hectic, so I wanted to go through this bag and show you what features it has, and also kind of show you how I have this packed up with the basic necessities that I have. And again, this doesn't have to be packed up super fully. You don't have to have an exact replica of your main diaper bag, but it is nice to have a lot of the things that I do have in this bag, just in case you find yourself out and about and you don't have everything that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking, and we're gonna get right into this bag. Here in the front of the bag, we have 2 zip pockets, one on the left and one on the right. Over here on the left pocket, we have the Kipling logo. If we open this zip pocket, I'm not sure that I have very much. I actually just have, I've got a pack of moist wet wipes. They're antibacterial wipes, so if ever I'm out and about and I need to quickly wipe my hands after a diaper change, or maybe I don't have hand sanitizer on me, which never happens, but in the off chance that it does, I'm always prepared with that. And it's kind of stuck in here, so I'm not gonna pull it out, but there's that. In this pocket right here, I guess I just had business cards from Aflac for the last last time that I went to a meeting with them, so I don't currently have anything in here, but it's again a nice wide zip pocket that you can fit quite a few things in. Now, if we move over to the right side of the bag, we have a very small D-ring. Again, if you watched a lot of my videos, you'll know that one of my favorite key features of the Kipling bags are these D-rings, which have these little monkeys. Now, this is a full-sized monkey, and the monkey's name is Stephanie, and I love having these monkeys because it's really cute to have that little accessory. Now, if we move around to the back, you have this one slip pocket, which is just large enough to fit my Jujubee Hello Kitty TikTok change pad. I'm not going to pull this out. This is actually a really big change pad, and it's kind of hard to slip into this back pocket just because how large it is, but it's one of those padded Jujubee diaper changing pads. I really love this. It's perfect for on the go, especially because it's so big. So when Leo gets bigger, I don't have to worry about him not being able to fit on the change pad. So that's one key feature that I like. Now, the only other thing that we have on the outside of this bag is the strap. This is your adjustable messenger or crossbody strap that comes out to be pretty long, or you can cinch it up to make it this small. Again, I like carrying this over top of my stroller handle just because it sits really nice and tightly there, and I don't have to worry about it falling off or falling down, but I still have full access to everything inside. Getting to the main compartment of the bag, as you can see, it's already unzipped. Even with everything that I have in here, I can zip it up no problem, and that's because they are so buttery smooth. This zipper in particular is very thick zipper, and so it makes it a lot more difficult for things to get caught in there. So if you're one of those people like me who just literally yanks your zippers open and you have a whole bunch of stuff stuffed in your bags, they will not get caught. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I have in this bag, and I'm gonna slowly pull them out one by one, and I'm gonna put this down just because it'll be a lot easier to show you everything that I have if I'm not holding this in one hand and trying to unzip in this hand and hold it up as well. Now, going off the top, I have this Kipling Harry pouch in the color Tile Purple, and I have demoed this in a couple of my other videos. This is a really great pouch because it expands on the side, and it's got a really nice zipper at the top. If you open it up, it has a zip pocket on one side, and it also has a mesh pocket on the other. For this particular bag, I'm using this as his extra set of clothes. Now, also, while we're going through this, I know if you are a dedicated fan to my channel, you will know that I'm a pouch packer. If you're new, basically that means that I like to pack everything up in dedicated pouches in my bags. That way, whenever I'm out and about, I know to pull out this Tile Purple Harry pouch if I need an extra set of clothes for him, or to pull out something else just for his diapers. In here, I only have a couple of things. I have a onesie that now I'm noticing is 2 sizes too small for him, a set of pants, and also a washcloth that I use as an on-the-go work cloth. And the pouch that was next to that is my Kipling Mini Zaduk in the print Spanish Bloom. Again, this is super cute because on the outside it features a D-ring, and this one has a monkey whose name is Eden, which I believe this monkey is the same name for the entire Spanish Bloom color collection. So if you open up this zip pocket, you'll see on the inside we have another zip pocket on this side. I really love all of the pockets that the Kipling bags feature. And then on the opposite side, again, you have a mesh pocket. Now, this is my mini on-the-go emergency essentials kit. So I have a set of nail clippers for Leo. I have a pair of mini scissors that fit perfectly in here. I have alcohol prep pads, bandages, and I also have a packet of Kleenex. I typically do keep a set of nail clippers in here for myself. I think I may have taken them out and I just didn't put them back, but it's also nice to have them for yourself. Next to that, this is kind of open, but this is my diapering essentials clutch, and I actually don't have very many diapers in here. I brought this bag into my house today so that I could refill it with everything, and I decided on the way that I would record a video as well. Now this, if you are unfamiliar with my channel, or if you are familiar with it, is the Jujubee Be Quick. This is Jujubee's, one of their iconic clutches that they have, and that's just because it's so versatile. You can use it for so many things, and a lot of people like me use it as a diapering clutch because it fits so many diapers. I can fit 5 or 6 size 2 diapers in here, plus a packet of wipes, or not a full pack, I'll show you what I use in a second, as well as diaper rash cream and other things. And it's just amazing how much this stretches without breaking the zipper or without expanding. Now on the inside of the Jujubee Be Quick, we only have one zip pocket, which is right here on the back. I have a pocket back, which is Magical Mango. And I also have antibacterial wipes. Again, I like to keep wipes with me just in case I can't get to a sink and let's say I don't have hand sanitizer with. Now, like I said, I typically do have diapers in here. I only have one size 2 diaper, but I can fit 5 of them. I have my Orchid Hearts wipes pouch. This is a reusable wipes pouch that I purchased off the SensibleMama.com. This is the Desert Love, and it came in a pack of 2 for $18. I actually like these. It's great for on the go, and it fits perfectly in my Jujube Be Quick. However, if you're looking to fit more wipes with you, let's say you're going on an extended trip, the Huggies Clutch and Clean will also fit in here perfectly. You just have to take a few less diapers, which you can pack those in another bag as well. And the only other thing that I have in here, I always like to carry these Arm & Hammer plastic bags. These are perfect to dispose of all of his dirty diapers with. Now that everything's out of the bag, you can see what kind of space the Coralie offers. On the front of the bag, we have 2 slip pockets and a pen slip pocket. All I have in here is Clorox disinfectant wipes for just in case it's flu season and I want to wipe down the cart. And I also have 2 pens with me because you never know when you want to write something down or if you need to sign something. Now, if we go to the back of the bag, we have a zip pocket here, which I'm not currently utilizing. The only thing that I have in here is the tag itself for the bag. Because I have so many bags and because I am a purse addict, I like to make sure that I have product name and color so that when I am reviewing in my videos, you guys know exactly what the color is, what the bag is, and I can help you out with that. So if you want it, you can go and get it. Final thing that we have inside of this bag is a key fob, and I really enjoy having these because you never know if you just want to put your wallet in here and you want to go into the grocery store and take your keys and everything with you. You don't have to worry about misplacing your keys or anyone snatching them up because there's a lobster claw here, and then you can tuck this away inside of your bag. Well guys, that is it for today. I'm really hoping that this video turned out, and I'm also hoping that it just recorded. I'm not sure what I look like. I know that my hair was slowly creeping into the center because it is humid as can be here in Virginia. It is about 80 degrees, and it was like 46 this morning. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I extremely apologize. For my next video, I will doll myself up just a little bit for you. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have a funny story that you want to share with me, please do. Click the like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Again, thanks for watching.